Let's delve into the world of strategic planning, especially for CIA, Certified Internal Auditor, Part 3 candidates who are aiming to master the knowledge and concepts to successfully clear their exams and become top-notch professionals in the auditing world. Characteristics of successful strategic plans. Imagine you're setting off on a cross-country road trip. Would you just jump in your car and drive aimlessly, or would you map out your journey, set clear milestones, and prepare for potential challenges? The latter approach, which is systematic and thought through, mirrors the essence of strategic planning. 1. Visionary yet realistic. Successful strategic plans strike the perfect balance between ambition and realism. It's like aiming for the stars but with a spaceship, not a ladder. They outline a vision for the future, but also ensure they have the tools, resources, and capabilities to get there. 2. Clearly defined objectives. A hallmark of a robust strategic plan is the clarity of its objectives. Each goal should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. It's about knowing the what and the how. 3. Comprehensive stakeholder involvement. Top-notch plans consider the perspectives of all stakeholders, from employees and managers to clients and investors. Engaging a diverse set of viewpoints ensures a more holistic and inclusive approach to planning. 4. Agile and flexible. In the dynamic world of internal auditing, conditions can change rapidly. An effective strategic plan allows for course corrections when unforeseen challenges or opportunities emerge. 5. Strong communication. Just having a plan isn't enough. It needs to be communicated clearly and consistently to everyone involved. It's like having a playbook for a football team. Every player must understand their role and how it fits into the bigger picture. 6. Link to tactical plans. Strategic plans paint the big picture, but tactical plans are the brushes and strokes that bring it to life. Successful strategies are closely aligned with actionable steps, tasks, and initiatives. 7. Regular monitoring and review. The world of internal auditing is about continuous improvement. Hence, routinely assessing progress against the plan's objectives and recalibrating as needed is essential. 8. Alignment with organizational values and culture. An effective plan aligns seamlessly with the organization's culture and values, ensuring that as the company moves forward, it remains true to its identity. 9. Risk management. For an audience of future internal auditors, this is crucial. Effective strategic plans proactively identify potential risks and have mechanisms in place to manage and mitigate them. 10. Resource allocation. Lastly, ensuring that the necessary resources, be it human, financial, or technological, are allocated appropriately is vital. It's about putting the money where the mouth is. In summary, a strategic plan is much more than just a document. It's a roadmap for success. For CIA Part 3 candidates, understanding the characteristics of successful strategic plans is not only essential for their exams but also for their future roles, where they'll play pivotal roles in shaping and steering organizations toward a prosperous future. So, as you embark on this journey, remember to be the strategic navigator that every organization desires.